Hello everyone, my name is Olorunfemi Kende. I'm here this morning to review Economics UTME 2018 past questions with you from questions 26 to 50. Follow me as we do this together. Question 26. The money paid per hour for work done is wage rate. Wage rate is the money paid to worker per hour for the work done, and that's option D. Going to question 27, we have from the graph above, the consumer will attain equilibrium at point K. The consumer will attain equilibrium at this point K, where the indifference curve U2 is tangential to the budget line, and our answer is in option B. Number 28 now. By utility, we mean the power of satisfying a want. That is the power of a commodity to give satisfaction to consumer. That's option B. Let's move to question 29. Concentrating industries in one place is advantageous because there are gains in terms of external economies of scale. Those are the benefits that an industry will enjoy by being as a result of being located in the same area with other industries. That's option D. We have question 30. The effects on the demand for a product A caused by a change in the price of product B is called cross elasticity of demand. That's option B. When two commodities are involved, it's called cross elasticity of demand. The change in price of product A will affect the quantity demanded of product B. Alright, we have question 31. An upward movement along the same supply curve results in an increase in quantity supplied. As you can see in the graph, the initial price is 10 naira, while the quantity supplied is 8 naira. When the price moved from 10 naira to 20 naira, the quantity demanded also changed from 80 to 160. So you can see the supply curve is still the same, but there is a movement from this point to this point. So our answer is option C. Number 32. The coefficient of the price elasticity of supply is always positive because there is a positive relationship between price and quantity supplied based on the law of supply, which states that the higher the price, the higher the quantity supplied, and the lower the price, the lower will be the quantity supplied. Question 33. In the history of economics, the concept of division of labor is usually associated with Adam Smith. That's the father of economics, in his book titled The Wealth of Nations. He used a pin factory to explain the concept of division of labor, where we have one worker will have to draw the wire, another will cut the wire, another worker will sharpen the point, and the other worker will do the attachment. So you can see the division of labor being illustrated there. Number 34. Given that Y represents income, C is our consumption, and I is investment, we have where C is 50 plus 0.75 and I is 45 million naira. What is the equilibrium level of income? Now we are given this Y is equal to C plus I. Substitute for C and I into the equation. That is Y equals to 50 plus 0.75 plus 45. And when we do that, by collecting the like terms, we have Y equals to 50 plus 45 will give us 95. And we bring 0.75 to the other side, the sign will change to minus 0.75. And that will give us Y minus 0.75 if Y equals to 75. Y minus 0.75Y will give us 0.25 equals to Y. Y will give us 95 divided by 0.25, and our final answer will be 380 million. And our correct option is option B. Now number 35. We have from the diagram, the optimal point of production is this point X. This point X is the optimal point of production where this line meets with this second curve, and that's option C. We have question 36. An ad valorem tax is imposed on the value of a commodity, option C. Is an indirect tax that is imposed on the value of the commodity. Number 37. The labor force of a country is determined by the number of people available to work. The number of people available to work is what determines the labor force, which is. Now, the labor force of a country is determined by the number of people available to work. That's option C. The labor force represents the working population of the country, the number of people that are available and willing to work, including people that are able to work but they are unable to get a job. Option C. Number 38. The transfer of public shareholding in corporations to private enterprise is privatization. Privatization is done to make the company more efficient and profit-oriented. Option C. Number 38 now. An economy in which both the public and private sectors contribute to economic growth is a mixed economy. Option C, like what we practice in Nigeria, where we have both the private sectors and the public sector contributing to the economic growth in Nigeria. Number 40. A capital market differs from the money market in that the former here is the capital market. In the former, loan is sought on a long-term basis. Loan sought is for long-term purpose. Option B. Number 41. The reduction in the value of the country's currency in relation to the value of the countries of other nations is known as devaluation. When the value of the country's currency is reduced compared to that of other countries, that means the country's currency is being devalued. Option C. We have from the table calculate the median. We have the number, we have frequency, and we have this. The formula to use is median is 9 plus 1 th over 2. The n here is the same thing with the total frequency. When you add 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6, it will give you 20. Now, 20 plus 1 is 21. 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. Mind you, 10.5 is not our median. It is where the median is located. So it will assist us to locate the median in the table. So we go back to our table to get the cumulative frequency. The first cumulative frequency is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3 will give us 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. Take note, the last cumulative frequency must be the same with total frequency. So from this cumulative frequency, look at the number that is very close to 10.5. And when you check, the only number that is very close to 10.5 is 10. Looking at it, it is 16 that corresponds with 10. So our median is 16. That's option D. Number 43. The expression of cost in terms of alternative foregone is referred to as opportunity cost. Option C. For example, a student has 5,000 naira and the student wants to buy shawarma and suya at the same time. Each of them costs 5,000 naira each. If the student decides to buy shawarma and sacrifice suya, the shawarma that is bought is the money cost, while the suya that is left unbought is the opportunity cost. That's the item that you forgo is opportunity cost. Our answer is option C. Number 44. The full meaning of NAPEP is National Poverty Eradication Program. That's option A. Number 45. Taxes and government expenditures, they are instruments of fiscal policy. When government use tax and government expenditure, either we have two types of fiscal policy. We have contractionary and expansionary, depending on what the government wants to achieve. That's option D. Number 46. As a factor of production, the reward of land is rent. The reward for land is rent, which is renewed after 100 years. Number 47. The diagram below represents a production function. At which of the point does diminishing returns set in? Diminishing returns set in at point T. At point T, total production is at maximum. That's the maximum. After point T, the total production starts dropping. So that after this point is a point where diminishing return sets in, point T, and that's option C. Number 48. The two major types of international trade are bilateral trade and multilateral trade. Bilateral trade takes place between two countries, while multilateral trade involves more than two countries. Our correct option is option B. Number 49. We have a pie chart. The total budget of the country is $7,200. How much is allocated to education? Education sector occupies 120 degree in the pie chart. So to get our answer, that would be 120 degree over 360 degree times 7,200. 0 will cancel 0, 12 in 36 will give us 3, 3 in 7,200 will give us 2,400, and the correct answer is option A. Number 50 now, which is the last question. In a capitalist economy, factors of production are owned and controlled by the businessmen, and they are the people that control factors of production. Thanks for your time. See you next time.